Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and I am back with another super affordable synthetic find from samsbeauty.com. So, you guys liked the last Pixie wig video that I did a lot more than I expected, and I ended up liking those wigs a lot more than I expected too. So I figured with the new season, why don't I continue to try something new? And I've got another Pixie wig from Sensationnel. So if you want to watch me install and work my way around this Pixie wig from Sensationnel's Empire line and hear my thoughts on it, keep watching. Okay, so like I said, I ended up liking the Pixie wig that I picked up online from Sensationnel a lot more than I expected. So I figured while I was doing my little occasional browsing on samsbeauty.com that I would pick up yet another Sensationnel Pixie wig. And the one that I happened to pick up this time is from the Empire Wig Celebrity Series. It is 100% human hair, and her name is Neeka. Now I picked this wig up in the color T2 350, and it's this gorgeous copper red, which I thought was like amazingly appropriate for the fall. So I'm just going to open it up with you. I've never opened the pack before. I don't know what to expect, so we're gonna figure it out together from here. There's a contouring mesh cap in there. So the features of Empire wigs are soft and smooth texture, tangle free, shed free, long lasting curl retention, and it comes in a couple other colors like blonde. I see some highlights here, and this is supposed to be a 100% human hair wig. So let me just take it out of the netting for a minute. Now I've never tried a mushroom cut, and I mean that's the only way I can kind of describe what this wig looked like in the display picture. Black was sold out. I mean, can you blame them? Because this looks super pretty, but you know how I feel about my copper wigs, so I was like, all right, I'm still gonna buy it. So yeah, just looking at it straight out of the pack, there is no lace. This is a fully threaded wig. All right, so we have one comb in the front right here. I don't know if you can see that. And then, okay, so there's no combs on the side like I'm used to. And then there is, of course, a comb in the back right here with adjustable straps. I don't know, y'all. Let me try it on. Let's see what's going on. Okay. All right, so yeah, this is the wig straight out the pack. Now let's see, let me fit it around my ear. Let me do some messing around here. Okay, well, it's not bad. It's not bad. I'm just learning my way around a mushroom cut. This is my first time, like I said. I'm not one of these amazing women that I see on YouTube that have the like pixie game down pat. I'm not, at least not yet. But you gotta start somewhere. And I'm always trying new things with you guys. So okay. All right, so there's no lace to it, but I like how the bangs lay though. I do like how the bangs lay. I did kind of tuck this part behind my ear just to see how it is. I like that it's tapered in the back. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I'm gonna try to zhuzh it up a little bit. And and then come back and give you my final thoughts on this, because I did pick this up for, I believe, $25, which was a steal for a 100% human hair wig. Of course, there's no lace on it, but the fact that it's human hair lets me know that if I want it, I can kind of go through here and spruce it up. I love how this is looking already, like me kind of side sweeping. Ooh, hey girl, what's up? All right, okay, so it's already looking like something. I like it though, I do. Has anybody worn this one before? Is anybody out there watching this more experienced with Pixie wigs? Please go ahead and drop down in the comment box below and let me know how you usually style your wigs, because I want to learn. But just going off of my instinct here, I see the layers and instantly I want to start playing around in the bangs. Ooh. Okay, especially from this angle right here. Okay. Yeah, all right, this is it. See, wearing it straight out the pack when it came looking like this, hold on. It came looking like this. I wasn't too sure about it. But I think the most important part about shorter wigs is that you actually have the vision to kind of turn it into something else other than what it is. So if I was gonna go off of the look on the card that it came with, I would pull it down a lot further. Woo. And now see, okay, all right, so I'm trying to achieve the look on the pack, but this is giving Bieber. I ain't even gonna hold you. This is giving Bieber right now in the state that it's in. It's giving copper fall ready Bieber. And that is not the look that I'm going for. It's a very nice look, just not what I'm going for. So give me a minute and let me start playing around with this and see if we can figure something out. Okay, I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. I'm back, and I was just kind of playing around with this hair, kind of getting a feel for it, just to see how I like it in different ways. Whether like I try to bump it a little bit with my flat iron just to see how the curls would look. I didn't want to go too hard with the curls and like mess up the hair, but you know what, I am feeling it. I have to say I'm most definitely feeling this hair. My kitchen is kind of showing in the back, so I have to keep kind of putting this down. That's the only concern I would say I would have, and I could easily just like kind of pat it down or tie it down with some spritz or edge control and just kind of like pat it down back there. Pros and cons of this wig. Pros, it's $25, so it was a super affordable look. It is 100% human hair. Usually when I kind of go through these reviews with you guys, I have to read off that the wig is super heat resistant, or how high you can leave the heat on, or how, you know, much heat you can apply to the hair. In this case, I don't really have to. So as you can see, I kind of went through with my flat iron earlier and just kind of bumped the ends a little bit just to see what they would look like. I love the color a lot, a whole lot. The cons, there aren't really any cons in my opinion. The only thing I would say is if you're kind of like me and you're not used to wearing pixie wigs or pixie hairstyles, whether it's on a cap, a sew-in, whatever else that us ladies do to achieve this look, have patience. You need patience to kind of just go through and see what works for you. Of course, I'm obviously going to keep playing around with this wig just to see how I feel about it. There was no huge install time. It was just a matter of me throwing my my wig cap on underneath it and just making sure that I knew how to play around and keep an open mind with this wig. So this is definitely a win. This is for sure a win. So if you are interested in this wig and where I got it from, I will of course leave it in the description box. So that's all you have to do when you get done watching this video. Open up the description box and I will leave the direct purchase link to where I got this wig from, and all the available colors that you can find it in. And I got it myself for $25. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 3.5 out of 5 lazy girl stars. For sure. Yeah, I'm going to give this one a 3.5 out of 5 lazy girl stars. The only reason why I didn't give it a 4 or a 5 out of 5 lazy girl stars is because I'm new to the game. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and keep playing around with this wig and showing you whatever it is that I come up with in all the different angles. Please feel free to let me know down in the comment box if there's anything I'm missing out on, how you like to style your pixie wigs or hairstyles, and of course if there are any other pixie wigs you think I should get my hands on and try out here on my channel. As always guys, thank you so much for clicking play. I love having you here with me, but don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see you pretty soon, like in the next pixie wig video. Same place next time. Peace out, y'all.